Oh, did you guys, that burp, oh my gosh.
Should I burp in your face?
Do it! Smells like white trash. No!
That was a very fulfilling.
All right, ready? Oh man! Maple story 2 time you said?
Lol, he has 2 screens.
The 9 Inch Nails parodies, that was great. And Ren burps. I hope you guys enjoyed all of that.
Thanks, it's a one-way channel.
Oh yeah, do it again.
I can't. I have to wait.
No, I meant like blow it in my face. Come on, now it's too late.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Excuse me.
That was very, very loud. That's like super sweet. Sorry.
I'm Emma. What gets better with age?
Sorry.
I
wanted to. Couldn't do it. Excuse me.
Here we go.
Oh my god! Excuse my friend has been up in that area.
Alright, Karen. Nice.
Sorry, I had Taco Bell earlier. Oh, you jerk.
Oh my god!
If you wanna get with me,
That's something too.
Damn, bitch!
okay, we're gonna do Blondie, and then that's the last song. If they even have Blondie.
Close your eyes.
Earlier. Oh my god, the sky's so pretty. It's like purple.